Good morning, drone world, and happy new year. In 2022, we are back and better than ever to bring you all the news and updates from the drone industry bi-weekly. So let's get into what you came for. As many of you may have seen, London's New Year's show looked a little different this year. For the first time, the Borough of Greenwich played host to the annual fireworks display. However, the event marked history for a completely different reason, with SKYMAGIC, the world's leading drone light show specialist, stealing the show. Debuting in the 2021 London display with 300 UAVs, 2022's display featured nearly double the number of aircraft. The UAVs were kitted out with industry-leading RTK technology and improved GPS accuracy, which made the fast transitions possible. The drones danced along the London skyline, reenacting memorable events from the past year, complemented by traditional fireworks we've all come to know and love. What a performance. Our next story comes from the Netherlands and KLM Airlines, who are paving the way with their new aircraft inspection process. The airline has partnered with Dutch startup Mainblades, who have created a software that allows their DJI M300 RTKs to survey their planes for damages and smaller forms of wear and tear. Initially, the drones will be used to perform general visual inspections before they are explored for more in-depth analysis. Now for a story I never thought I'd actually see in my lifetime. The drone taxi market is expected to be worth more than $860 million by the year 2030. With cars and other automobiles being among the main sources of greenhouse gases, the report predicts that this will lead to an increase in demand for electronic drone taxis. With brands such as Toyota already investing over $500 million into VTOL projects and the US government engaging with 15 aircraft manufacturers, it is possible that you could start seeing some sort of air taxi service within the next 3 to 5 years. So mind your head. Now over to Sweden, where a 71-year-old man had his life saved after suffering a heart attack. The man was shoveling snow off his driveway when he suddenly collapsed. His wife saw the whole thing unfolding, called emergency services, and they were able to deploy a drone carrying a defib in less than 4 minutes. I can't put into words how thankful I am to this new technology and the speedy delivery of the defib. If it wasn't for the drone, I probably wouldn't be here, said the 71-year-old patient who wished to remain anonymous. He has now made a full recovery and was able to return home. Thanks for joining us for this week's episode of Good Morning Drone World. Tune in next time to hear more on all things drones.